Today I'm switching a rear camshaft sensor on a Kia Forte. This part's from Amazon. Like my last video, these are readily available anywhere. They're affordable. I get them from Amazon or eBay because they're a bit cheaper. So I'm gonna get started. Here's where the rear camshaft sensor is. There's a little plastic cover on it. It pops off very easily. You can use your hands. If it's stuck, you can use a flathead. There it goes. Squeeze that, pop that off. And there's where the sensor is. This right here needs to come off. On this car, it is a 13mm bolt that's holding it on. It comes out really easy. But you need that off to give yourself room to get to the bolt. It's really important to get that bracket off so you have leverage. It's very easy to get this out there. Alright, it's out. That's the old sensor. I'll pop a new one in. Here's a new one. There's the old one. It's a new one. From the prior video, this is the front camshaft. So one's an intake and one's an exhaust. Don't over tighten it because you can crack that plastic on that sensor. You just want it to be in there firmly. There you go. If you have it, that's not always necessary, but I recommend using a little dielectric grease for the plug. Just a tiny bit on it. Remember, after you get that sensor in, to put the bracket back up there. After that, the job's done.